Hi guys, welcome to my channel called Cute Alicorns. Today I am making fluffy slime. Today I'm going to have a special guest, Finley. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel,
PG Life LPS.
Soon she's going to have another channel, another YouTube channel.
Soon, very soon. For the ingredients, you will need Elmer's glue. You can use any type of glue, but we recommend Elmer's. Then you will need contact solution. And then you'll need food dye. I'm using purple and Allie's gonna have teal.
If you're gonna wanna make fluffy slime, you're gonna need shaving cream, then a bowl and a spoon to mix it.
So now we're gonna pour in the glue. So how much you pour in is gonna be the size of your slime.
Wanna be very careful.
Yeah. Looks pretty good.
That's enough.
That looks about, maybe a little bit more.
Yeah, a little bit more. That's enough. For your next ingredient, you're gonna need shaving cream for your fluffy slime.
Yep. So make sure you shake well before you plop it in your bowl. It's pretty good.
We added a little bit more shaving cream.
Yeah, and it looks really pretty. All right, ours is looking pretty fluffy.
Yeah, pretty fluffy. Let's add our food coloring.
All right.
For now, just put like at least 2 drops in.
Yeah, and then we'll mix it.
Yeah, 'cause I get a big one. It's looking good.
Okay, I might make a lighter purple. Ooh, that looks pretty.
That slime is looking really good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna add just a tad more.
I wanna make mine a little bit darker. So we've been mixing for a while and we got most of the white spots off. So I think we're ready to put some contact solution. So make sure you put a little bit at a time so your slime can form.
Yeah.
And okay, I'll add a little bit. All right.
A little bit, you don't want to add too much.
Okay, I'll start mixing. It's starting to kind of form a little bit.
Yes, it's going to get really thick. Yeah, it's starting to form. It's starting to form.
And it gets really jiggly, too.
Yeah. It's getting off the sides. Ooh, it's getting off the sides.
Okay, I'm going to add some more. So we've gotten it out of the bowl, and it's still pretty sticky, so we're going to still try to knit it and put a little bit more contact solution.
It's a lot of work.
Oh, there's a bubble.
Satisfying.
So our slime is almost together.
My slime, yes. Here.
Mine is still a little bit sticky, so I'm going to add a little bit more contact solution.
This is satisfying right here.
And start rubbing it. Oh, there's bubbles. So we are done with our slime. It's not really sticking to us anymore.
It's not sticking. And it turned out really well.
Yeah. Mine is a little bit more stickier than hers. Hers is a little bit more hard, but that's okay. So we might just play with it for you guys.
Yep. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
So now we're going to pour in the glue. And how much you pour in is going to be the size of the glue. I mean the size of your slime.
Oh.